Duplicate PDEs in your database may cause issues with stock on hand accuracy and ordering. Following this process monthly will help you to identify these issues and minimize them. This process can be followed by a master multi-store system but cannot be used for a slave multi-store pharmacy. Ensure you have collected and actioned the latest MNPN product mergers prior to beginning this process. To identify multiple products with the same PDE number for a supplier, from the Stock Manager module, navigate to the Reports menu, select 2 Product Reports and 3 Product Exceptions Report. In the Product Exceptions Report window, navigate to the Sorted By drop-down menu and select Supplier. Leave the From and To fields at the default to include all suppliers. Leave the exceptions format as is. This section is ignored when Show Duplicate PDE is checked. Leave the Stocked Only checkbox unselected. Check the Show Duplicate PDE checkbox. Leave the Exclude Dispense checkbox unselected. Then click OK to run the report. The Product Exceptions report displays the products with duplicated PDEs. Refer to the Minfos Help Centre for guidance on removing these duplicates.